welcome back to the Sooner Challenge. It's October 23rd. First training toss since the 150-mile race. We're going to give the birds a couple days off just to recoup a little bit, and now we're starting back up. So we're going to have the birds know it's time to go. We're going to have the second race this Sunday, and then the final race will be on Monday, November 5th. That's when Certified One Services is going to come out here, so that's going to be the day. All right, we're going to go ahead and let them out. One more crate for my birds. There they are. Yeah. All right. Signing off. I got to get home. I got to try and beat the birds home. I forgot to plug in Joe Boo this morning, so I'm going to try and beat him home. Keep the hawk away from them. Hawk got one of my personal birds yesterday. But yeah, they're going. Signing off.